You can see here, this is the back of the radio, and you can see here in the rear of the radio there is enough space to put the Google there. The only thing I have to do is drill some holes here. And for this drilling you need your form from your kit, and on the back of it there is a template here, and it says exactly where to drill holes and also the diameter. Okay, I've got my template here placed on the rear of the radio, and I will just add some markers here. Whoa, that's a problem. Okay, and then when I've added these markers, I will drill the holes. Okay, I will start with the small holes. They are quite important to have the right location. And after that, I will drill the 12mm holes. I will put this, okay, and I do the rest on the back. See, that's right, the other one is a little more tricky. I will make it a slightly different position here. This is okay. Okay, and we have to clean the holes a little bit. As you can see, I've cleaned the holes a little bit. It's okay like this. Okay, assembling the Google Nest to the rear of the radio. As you can see, we already made some holes here. And we've got a prepared Google Nest with the PCB already on it. And if the holes are correct, it will fit something like this. Okay, now the second step is we have to also make the box at the rear of the radio for connecting the power supply. We have this box support, and we put in the wires through this big hole here, and it will just fit in here. And just tighten up this nut. Okay, so this piece, in the end it will have a cap like this on the rear, but first we have to assemble the Google Nest. So we put through the wires here through the big hole in between the two small holes like this, and we will plug in this connector here for the mains, and this one here is free, and we turn it like this, and we put the holes in front of that one, and we put this inside, and this is on, and then we put in 2 screws. That's also in your kit, and you will screw it reasonably tight. It's all plastic, so don't use too much force. I have to be sure this one is correct, yeah. So this is tight, this one is tight, so like this. And now we have to connect this connector that has no marker on it to this connector here. It's the power supply. Okay. So this is the loudspeaker, and we can close the box like this. And this is how it will actually look. This is ready. I've got 3 connectors here, and I can now connect this to our Google Nest.